Hi guys, welcome to DMT. I looked on this big chalkboard and you know it's a good brand, it's a good dealership when you can see that they do social events, and on the chalkboard was a fish and chip ride out. And this is the first ride out of 2023. So I'm heading out to Northampton. I've never done a ride out with this branch before. I've changed my dealership to this Northamptonshire dealership because my previous one was a little bit underwhelming, so I decided to change it, and I've got a really good service from this branch, so I've decided to head out to this branch and do a social ride out. It's a fish and chip run. Don't know where we're going, so it's nice just to follow the leader and not worry about navigation. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, this evening, so let's see how it pans out. Everyone's keen. The first ride out of 2023 here in Northamptonshire in England. There's some nice bikes, all looking sparkly clean. Probably a lot of these bikes have been locked away for the winter, and it's the first ride out that they're doing. Come on guys, let's have a rev bomb. No, I asked the guy inside where exactly we were going, but we're going back to Leicestershire. Okay, we'll be going on the twisties and the jolly A roads. Getting a bit hungry. I get hungry. Want me tea? Here we go. Staggered formation. Ooh. This is cool. Yeah, so there's, I think 20 bikes got through then. Can hear some of the sports bikes with the Rakopovic exhaust behind me. Oh, this is fantastic. We're not in Leicester yet, I can smell chips. I was saying, we're not in Leicestershire yet, but I can smell chips.
Might be something chips.
Can you smell chips?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, look at that, quite beautiful. I didn't realise there was some nice places like this. I'm not sure where I am, but we're just leaving Northamptonshire. A bit of a lake. Riding into the sunset. And a little bit of housekeeping again. If you're liking the video, press the thumb button, subscribe if not already subscribed, and press the notification bell for future videos. I'm going out for a ride this weekend. One of my friends has said he's got a couple of days for it. It's bank holiday weekend, Easter bank holiday weekend this weekend, and the weather forecast is looking good, so we're going to be going to the Peak District in the Peak District in the middle of England. So going out for a ride there, and shortly after that I'll be doing a bike safe, which is a ride out with the police. The police ride along with you to give you some tips and hints as to how you can improve your riding, and then following on from that you can go on to an advanced driving course. After the bike safe I'm looking to go to Scotland. I've not done a route called the North Coast 500. It's a well-known route that a lot of people from the UK go to, and it's It never used to be a well-known route, but the Scottish Toys Board decided to give it a stamp, an official stamp of the North Coast 500, and I think it's 516 miles around the coast of Scotland. But yeah, I'll be looking to do that this summer. This is a nice little village. I think we're still in Northamptonshire. Anybody looking out their window will be thinking, what's that racket? 60 bikers riding past. Oh, isn't this wonderful? With like-minded individuals on their machines. It's a pleasant evening in England. It's 12 degrees now. It's just the right temperature actually. There's not a cloud in the sky, a blue sky still. It's 6:38, so early evening, and the clocks went forward last week, so we've got an extra hour of sunlight to spend more time on the roads. So fantastic. So it's getting a little bit darker now. The time is just coming up to 7:20. We left Northampton at 6 o'clock, and we've come to Leicestershire, back to where I came from. I thought I was leaving my sort of area to go for a nice ride, but we've come back to our sort of side of or my side of town. That place there on the right with the green lights, that's the fish and chip shop. There's still lots more coming. Have you done a head count? I want to know how many. I think there's about 60.
60?
Well, that's roughly head count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting. Right, so they all stop.
Beautiful.